Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the coolest Amazon bathroom finds for 2025 that will upgrade your space in no time. All the links to these amazing finds will be in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's jump right in. Ever think about how gross your toothbrush gets just sitting there wet all day? Well, the StarWin UV toothbrush dryer holder fixes that. This genius little gadget uses UV light to kill bacteria, plus a heating plate and fan drying system to keep your toothbrush completely dry and germ-free. No more yucky, damp bristles. It's got 4 slots, so it's perfect for the whole family. And the best part? No drilling needed. Just stick it to the wall, charge it up, and let it do its magic. Seriously, once you use this, you'll wonder how you ever live without it. Want to keep your toothbrush cleaner than ever? Check the link below and grab one now. If your shower isn't already a full-blown concert, it's time to change that. The XLeader shower speaker is waterproof, meaning you can take it in the shower, by the pool, or even into the bath without a worry. It's got amazing sound quality, deep bass, and even LED lights that change colors while you listen. Plus, with a built-in mic, you can take calls mid-shower if you really need to. And with 12 hours of playtime, your bathroom dance party's just got a serious upgrade. Don't shower in silence. Upgrade your playlist with this speaker. Link below. If your bathroom is constantly running out of space, you need this, the Yamazaki Home Rolling Slim Utility Cart is the perfect solution for tiny bathrooms or tight corners. It's super narrow, so it fits in small gaps between your sink, toilet, or shower, and the wheels make it easy to move around. Whether you're storing extra towels, toiletries, or skincare, this cart keeps everything organized and within reach while still looking sleek and stylish. Small space? No problem. Grab this must-have organizer now. Link in the description. If you're tired of hard water ruining your skin and hair, you need the miniwell L720 Plus shower filter. This little lifesaver removes chlorine, heavy metals, and sediments, so your water feels softer, smells fresher, and is much gentler on your hair and skin. If you've been dealing with dryness, irritation, or brittle hair, this could be the fix you've been looking for. Plus, installation is super easy. Just attach it to your shower head, and boom, instant water upgrade. Say goodbye to harsh water and hello to softer skin. Link to shop below. No built-in bathtub? No problem. The qajexluz portable bathtub is a foldable, collapsible tub that lets you soak and relax, even in small spaces. At 56 inches, it's super roomy, but folds up when not in use, making it perfect for apartments, small bathrooms, or even outdoor soaking sessions. Designed for ultimate comfort, this tub lets you enjoy a spa-like bath experience anywhere, anytime. If you love unwinding in a warm bath, but don't have the space for a full-size tub, this is the ultimate solution. Turn your bathroom into a spa. Grab this portable bathtub before it's gone. And that's it for today's Amazon bathroom finds. Which of these are you adding to your cart? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing home upgrades and must-haves. All the product links are in the description. Happy shopping!